Uh, hey guys. So I got some pretty exciting news. Really exciting news. As you guys know from the last video, I did a recent update on my RS3. We did the 40,000 mile service. Now, I do a lot of driving with that car. A lot of driving. I love that car. It's amazing. Everything about it. Oh, it's a perfect daily. I'll continue to drive it. However, 40K in in 1 year is in 2 years is a lot. So I got a new daily. So as you guys probably guessed it, the new daily is a 1999 Honda CRV. Now, I chose this car for a reason. I chose this SUV for a reason. Let's talk about it. Now, for some of you guys that don't know, the 1999 CRV is literally one of the most versatile vehicles known to man.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. How much are you? Choosing a media vehicle was gonna be difficult. However, when I chose the Honda CRV, I think I made a pretty good choice. I needed something that was going to be versatile all around for my family, still be able to lug around all the equipment to each shoot, and save on gas. 99 Honda CRV. Otherwise known as the RD1 RD2. RD1, which I just found out, is the all-wheel drive variant, and the RD2 is the front-wheel drive variant. This SUV, compact SUV, comes stock with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder B20 known on the market. The B20 was one of the first engines I ever worked on growing up as a kid, so it really meant something to me. And I knew exactly what to do, which means maintenance would be cheap. Cheap maintenance, great gas mileage, versatile and big enough to carry all the equipment. You can't go wrong. I'm excited to see where it goes. It has come a long way so far since I've had it, I will say that. When I got it, it was leaking literally everywhere. So this meant going through the entire car, entire SUV, and figuring out what we had to get, which was basically valve covers, gaskets, all gaskets, including the grommets, and the spark plug tube seals. Spark plugs, distributor cap, the whole 9 yards. Swapped that stuff out, realized that the motors were really slow, so pulled the windows apart, pulled the tracks out, redid the weather stripping, cleaned out the weather stripping. Definitely took my time to make sure that this was a capable car to this day, and I was gonna be comfortable driving it. One thing I did not want was the old school Honda days, no AC, no power steering. Added 5 horsepower though. If you did see the 40,000 mile service video, that car just recently hit 40,000 miles. I've had it for a little bit over a year and a half now, and I've put about 25,000 miles in the car so far, 20,000 miles in the car. It's rough. I drive a lot. I'm constantly driving through Central Florida for different shoots. So we had to get something that was going to be better on gas, easier to work on, easier to maintain, cheaper to maintain, and still had the room. Now, my hopes for this is gonna be, we'll see. But I did order some more stuff coming for this vehicle. One thing I did order was the Mauve Max Razor car rig system, which is gonna enable us now to be able to take rolling shots, which I've been wanting to do for so long. Don't get me wrong, I've done rolling shots before, but now being able to do them comfortably and have an actual setup, dedicated vehicle for it, I think it's gonna make things a lot better, the process a lot smoother, and I'm gonna enjoy it a lot more as well. This is just a quick update. The next update is going to be the Mauve Max install on the CRV, doing some testing. We'll probably call one of our buddies out and see if we can get some nice rolling shots of some cars and get that ready for the field. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.